everyone, if you're looking for a super spacious and efficient SUV, then check out this 2013 Dodge Journey. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have tons of chrome all throughout your grille, and you have your Dodge badge right there. And then you have these halogen headlamps with fog lamps below. This comes equipped with a 3.6-liter flex fuel engine, so that gives it that efficiency. And then looking down at your wheels, they are 17-inch aluminum. Making your way over to your side mirrors, they are powered and heated, and you have keyless entry. Okay, so making your way inside this front seat, we have these black cloth seats with that textured insert going down the center. It looks really nice, and they are very comfortable. Then looking over at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls and your cruise control settings on the front with your media controls on the back. And then over to your 5-inch touchscreen media center brought to you by Uconnect. You have your radio options right here, and you can subscribe to satellite radio if you choose to. You can also hook up your own device, and you can have your climate settings right here. They are dual, so you can have different temperatures on each side of the front seat, and you can also sync them together. And then you have your settings and your other stuff on these buttons, and you can turn it off if it gets distracting. So looking down below, you have your climate controls here in button form. So if you don't want to mess with the media center, you can just use the buttons. And then you have your CD insert right there with a 12-volt below and 2 cup holders. And then looking into your center console, you have this tray which can come out, and you have an aux port, USB port, and a 12-volt in there. So let's go look at the back seat. Okay, so you can fit 3 people in this back seat. You can also fold down this cup holder armrest right there with 2 cup holders. And you have a 12-volt here plus storage compartments in the floor that you can use. You can take them out and clean them off as well. But it's a great spot to keep stuff so it's out of the way of your feet. These seats can also fold forward and move up and back. So if you need extra storage space in your trunk, you can just fold it down like that. Looking up, you have your roof rack up top, your lip spoiler, and your massive LED tail lamps with your SXT and your flex fuel badge on the side. And then looking into your trunk, it is enormous. So much room back here for all of your stuff. You have another 12-volt here, and there's even more room underneath right there as well. So, I mean, if you're looking for an SUV that has a ton of space plus that media center, check this out at our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.